I feel very comfortable to live here because as an international student, I'm very welcome with the staff as well as the flatmates.
I feel as if the facilities here are modern and they provide a nice, comfortable feel and make you feel part of a community, and things like the pool room or private study rooms, private kitchen, the laundrette bring everyone together.
My first impression to my room is that I have a pretty big desk, which is very beneficial for me to be more productive when it comes to studying. And the fact that I have a very big window facing a park, and it's a very good view every morning.
The community and social vibe, I would say, is unbeatable. I think throughout the many events offered, I think the community is really strong.
I definitely would recommend living at Pritchatts Park village. There are many things and many events that go on here. I feel like it's a nice community and it's a great location for places that you want to go to.